Hey guys, Sandra here, and with another video. Uh, and Happy New Year. Today is the first video that I've made of the new year. It's January 7th, 2022. And Happy New Year. May you all have a joyous, prosperous, and abundance new year. And so today I want to talk about the mindset, maybe specifically on building yourself up, talking to yourself, speaking life into yourself. Okay? And basically, I've learned that we have to train our minds to think positive, okay? Because in order to get positivity in your life, you have to think positive, okay? In order to get positive results, you have to think positive. And of course, if you think negative, you're going to have negative results. And you may not even know that you're doing it. We're so focused on our day-to-day lives of doing everything, monotonous life, doing the same thing every day, that we don't even see the things that we're doing to ourselves, or things that is basically our fault. Nobody else's, but it's our fault. Okay? And you have to look into yourself and see, what am I doing to bring this negativity into my life? And what can I do to bring more positivity? How can I change this to bring more positivity into my life? Okay? And basically, what I find is that we have to retrain our brains to think more positive. And that the only way you can do that is to talk to yourself. Okay? Look in the mirror, talk to yourself, build your own self up. Okay, be your own audience. Okay, be your own backbone, because when there's nobody else around, you are left alone. You have to build your own self up. Okay, one of the people that I can mention that did this, and he was famous, is Muhammad Ali, a famous boxer, a champion boxer. And the reason why he was a champion boxer is because he spoke to himself affirmations. And he did that every day. Okay? You have to do that in order to win in life. Alright? And some of the things he would say to himself, I'm just going to say them here, was the most famous: float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. He said, I am the greatest. He said, I am the greatest even before I knew I was. I said that even before I knew I was. I am the greatest. So you have to say things to yourself even when it's not happening at the moment. Okay? Until you see it happen, until you believe it's happening. Then it will happen. He also said, a man who has no imagination has no wings. He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. If my mind conceive it and my heart can believe it, then I can achieve it. He also said, it's the repetition of affirmation that leads to belief. And once that belief becomes a deep conviction, things begin to happen. Now, I couldn't have said it any better. He also said, I don't have to be what you want me to be. Okay? That's why I have this picture up here. Life is your creation. You don't have to be what anybody else wants you to be. You need to be what you want to be. Because if you don't, you're not going to be happy in your life. A lot of us have a job we don't like. We're just doing it for the money. We need to stop that. I'm not telling you to quit your job because you need it to pay rent and bills. But you need to find something that you really believe in and that you enjoy doing. And the money will follow. The money will follow. So basically, this is a short video, but all I want you to do is think about getting your own affirmations and making them up and speaking life into yourself. I am the greatest is one of them. I am a leader if you want to be a leader. I am rich if you want to be rich. Money follows me. Money follows me. Where everything I touch turns to gold, turns to money. You could say that. I will never be broke another day in my life. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing amounts through multiple sources on a continuous daily basis. I am motivated. I will win. I am a champion. I am the best. I deserve to have this ABC. Okay? All of these things that you can say to yourself. Make up your own affirmations. Listen to motivational speakers. I like Les Brown is good. I like Reverend Ike. Okay, and there's a lot of other ones out there that you can look up on YouTube. You can just type in motivational speakers or motivational quotes. Motivational speakers, I guess, would be better to find who you would like to listen to motivate you. But listen to someone that you relate to and that you feel comfortable listening to, because this is the person you should listen to every day to motivate you, to get you pumped, to accomplish those goals that you want to accomplish. This is what you want to do. Motivational music as well. You can put on motivational music. Anything. Before I go to work every day, I try to meditate for at least 5 to 10 minutes. If I don't do that, I try to look at something motivational for a few minutes. Okay, a short video, something that'll pump me up to keep me in a positive mindset. Okay, so that I will have a good day. All right, so that's all for now. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please give it a like and share it to anyone that you think needs to hear it, and comment below if it helped you, if you feel to comment, and please subscribe and click the bell so that you will be able to be notified of any new videos that I make. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your evening, day, or whatever time it is for you. And remember, you must hustle. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.